everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1956 Chevrolet 210. Gorgeous car, guys. I can't say enough about this car. It's got 345 miles on a complete nut and bolt rotisserie frame off restoration, and it is slick as can be. Two-tone Adobe beige and Matador red. Yes, I've heard this 1,000 times. It looks orange. That's what red was in '56, guys. It's got the matching two-tone interior. A little bit of a resto mod car. It's got a nothing crazy, but a big block 402 underneath the hood, 4-speed manual trans, disc brakes, air, aftermarket radio in it. Just a killer car, man. Likes it hits the road real good. Super slick paint. It's got a nice little stance. I bought this from a guy. Matter of fact, Joe and I he's bought a bunch of cars from me. I bought some cars from him. And everything he's got is nice like this. I mean, I bought this car sight unseen, and I knew it was going to be gorgeous. Chrome and stainless is in excellent shape. You will be very hard-pressed to find a nicer 56 for the money. I'll tell you that right now. Great car. Sorry, spreading something on it. I've driven it multiple times now. Hits the road great. Not a whole lot you can really nitpick on the car. It is very, very nice. It's got air blows cold, factory tinted glass. Just a gorgeous car. It's just as nice on the bottom as it is on the top, guys. Nice and straight down the sides. Got a great stance. Got 18 and 20-inch American Racing Torque Thrust 2 wheels on it, all new ZR rated rubber. Killer exhaust system on it. It's all TIG welded, stainless exhaust. Whoever put this exhaust on this car, man, that is beautifully done. If you've watched my videos over the years, you know I am a huge 56 fan. This is my favorite of the Tri-5s, and I love the post cars. I just think the post cars are sturdier, better cars. Power front disc brakes, they have converted it. Really made that big block look factory in there. You can see it's got ceramic coated exhaust, headers on it. 4-barrel, again, it is a Chevrolet Big Block 402/396, whatever you want to call it. 4-speed manual transmission. They've added vintage air, power front disc brakes. Everything on this car works, but I believe they've left if I believe I'm correct, that's the original wiper motor. Those are vacuum operated. I don't think the wipers work. You can see it's got all upgraded wiring harness in it. Really nicely done. And it, like I say, is nice on the bottom as it is on the top. Turn the key, take it right to a car show, and put mirrors underneath it. Just a great car. Like I say, there's really not much you could really pick on this car. It is nice. Normally you get my speech with this thing only having about 300 miles on it, that there's probably some shakedown. It's actually been done for a few years. Joe just hasn't put a ton of miles on him. He's got, I think he told me he's got 16 cars, so, but I'll bet you this thing, he's got it pretty sorted out. And it drives just killer. All new interior. It's got the two-tone Matador red and Adobe beige interior. That's a 58 or 59 Impala steering wheel. LED dome light there. Yeah, 346 miles on it now. I've put 3 miles on it myself. Sun Super Tach, everything's in the glove box here. Your aftermarket radio. It's got some aftermarket gauges in there. It's got stainless electric or X-pipe dual exhaust on it with electric cutouts. The cutout is underneath there, or the power switch is underneath there. Gorgeous car. They redid the seats. You can see the door pads are beautiful. Again, really nice exhaust system in it. It's got factory rear end with the it's got a 323 limited slip rear gear in it. It does have some pull traction bars on it. Here's a picture of the car, or some pictures of the car, completely disassembled when they did it. That all goes with it. They actually did something cool in the spare well here. There's your battery box. So they made a battery box for this. Your battery's in here. There is a cutoff switch too for when it's in storage. It's like a power switch. I'll get this back underneath here. So you can cut it off while it's in storage. That's underneath the bumper here. Just a cool car, man. And look underneath this thing. It is gorgeous. Like I say, take it right to a car show, put some mirrors underneath it. Got nicer door pads on it. This is just a killer 56 Chevy, guys. Look at the two-tone and doors. Awesome car. It's got a remote for the radio. Radio works. I think all the gauges work. The only thing I don't think that worked on the car was the wipers. And what I would tell you is, don't even mess with those vacuum operated wipers. They just don't work. They're terrible. If you want wipers on it, convert it to electric. Air works. Hold on, Nathan. See, it just kicked on. It blows nice and cold. Great car, man. I'm telling you. Great sound. Nice and tight. Shifts out real good. Very impressed with that car. Tach works. Your gauges work up there. And the gauges are functioning there. Hit your electric cutouts. Parking brake works, Nathan? Parking brake does work, guys. Hopefully you can see the tail lights working. Yes, it's cold, it's chilly, although it's supposed to be 70 by the end of the day. Radio works, and blower motor works. Doors open and close real nice. Wipers do not work. Whew, loud horn. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. beautiful car, man. Have a great day, guys.